They love Obi, or are they trying to play a kind of anti-panky here? You understand? To a kind of to win the draws Igbos, to see that they are supporting Igbos. They are trying to protect their brother. You understand me? I don't know if that is their mindset that makes them to a kind of rising up to attack Tinubu. That if Tinubu should do anything against Obi, or if there is any scratch from APC against Obi, that they themselves will rise and there will be war. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you are watching us from. I remember humble self-evangelist Benjamin Johnson is the only Biafran evangelist that will speak the truth. And I will continue to speak the truth until I end by the truth, because the truth will make me free. That is the word of God. Now listen and listen good. The APC government coming out and openly saying that P2B have crossed the borderline of truth. Please, I want to ask, did the truth have limitation? No, the truth never had limitation, and there is no way truth can be limited, because it is said that everyone should stand on the truth and end by the truth. Truth doesn't have limitation. So if you are now saying that Obi has come to the end, or it has crossed the bottom line of truth, where are you heading to? Are you trying to say that we should not speak the truth again? Or we should see something, we should turn it upside down? Or why is it that this APC government, they are afraid? They are so scared of people's opinion. They are so scared of people talking about their bad or their weakness. Are you getting it? They are so scared of people talking about their government. But they are good in spreading news of somebody's government. I could remember the same Tinubu. Tinubu should not forget so soon what he did during Jonathan time. Yes, he should not forget so soon. Why is he now being afraid that somebody too is speaking about their bad government, and you say that the person is crossing line? Is Nigeria the way you are doing Nigeria? Is it good? No, let us say the speak. Let us say the truth. Call a spade a spade. How much was the price of fuel when you call for all the federal protests? Are you getting it? Federal protests all over, which you sponsor. 120 to remove subsidy. Then now the same you now came in power. How much is fuel? And I say you remove subsidy, and look at how much it is. You say people should not talk. See hardship everywhere. See hunger everywhere. See insecurity everywhere. And you say people should not talk. And thank God, Makinde himself is a witness of current yesterday insecurity in Oyo State. You understand? And apart from the one that Makinde witnessed, what about the ones he did not witness? You understand? Look at the one happening. What about Borno? You understand? Look at what happened in Borno State. You understand? See what happened in Borno State. In Borno State, the soldiers have been massacred. The soldiers have been thoroughly displayed from their camp, from their territory. They are massacred. The soldiers, many, we are missing. As I talk to you now, many of them are missing. You, they don't know their whereabouts. CDS Musa cannot tell where they are. And all these things is happening under the watch of Mr. President. And what is he doing? So, and all these things should be taken care of, should be a kind of look into. You understand? All these things has to be looked into, so that we should be able to know what that we need to do to stop some certain nonsense in this country. You understand? So many things that have been affecting Nigerians in Nigeria. It is the high time that the government should look into it. Not when somebody come out and speak the truth, you say the person is talking too much. Then if you don't want the person to talk, do the right thing. Do that which you're supposed to do. If you do it, the person will not talk. You understand me? Yes. Let me give you an example. My landlord came to me some days ago over the recent, because the way they are coming, you understand, to collect the security money or whatsoever, the thing now makes me a pause
Mm.
because different, and they cannot account for it.
Mm.
Then I paused. Throughout last year, I didn't pay for security. My landlord was like, come into my place, which to the glory of God. I said, it's good as you have taken it up. Let me know because I don't understand the way things are. And you people are not giving receipt. Neither are you giving us updates.
Mm.
You understand?
Mm.
So, which glory be to God, I've settled our both, including this year old.
Mm.
You understand?
Yeah.
And which, do you know what he said? He said that he was like telling me that he doesn't like as he came to my apartment to knock, that his feeling is somehow that I should try and make sure that anything that will make somebody to knock on my door. I say why I stop was that the different faces, I don't know who, and now the 6 months, they collect 6 months and squatter and they squander it, they did not give updates. Now I am to pay it again. So how do that's why I don't really understand. You understand me? So if had it been I pay up to date, you understand? He will not come and knock on my door. You do the needful.
Mm.
You don't want somebody to talk to you.
Mm.
Then do what you're supposed to do that would warrant that person to talk to you. And by the time you do it, you are shutting up the person before talking to you. The person will not see room to talk to you again. And I don't think there is any limitation in speaking the truth. That today APC government is coming after Obi's life. And Obi is crying. And I am happy. Today, you know, if it is Igbos that come after, they will say Igbos are trying to defend their brother. Glory be to God that today, the Fulani, the Hausas are the one fighting the Mr. President over Obi. So, in other words, they love Obi, or and they're trying to play a kind of anti-panky here. You understand? To a kind of to win the draws Igbos, to see that they are supporting Igbos. They are trying to protect their brother. You understand me? I don't know if that is their mindset that makes them to a kind of rising up to attack Tinubu. That if Tinubu should do anything against Obi, or if there is any scratch from APC against Obi, that they themselves will rise and there will be war. You understand? Against the government of Mr. President. I don't know, but I must say, based on what they have said, based on what they have said concerning this, I believe on a normal circumstances, will be supposed not to be threatened. For somebody to speak the truth, you don't supposed to threaten him because we need that truth. Because we need to work on the truth. And when we stand on the truth, welcome the truth, then everybody in the country will move forward. You say you want to move Nigeria to next level. That was a Buhari language. Tinubu say you want to continue from where. No, they started the slogan 2015 change, which Nigerians believe that is what they used to deceive Nigerians, and they give Buhari. So when they now come to second tenure, they say next level. It was next level. So that next level now, Tinubu say, Emiloko, I want to continue where Buhari stopped. And that continuity is what have landed Nigeria like this. Hunger, pain, sorrow, insecurity, multiplication, increase beyond their repair. Now, you know, unlike what I have earlier said, I said that thank God that Oyo State Governor, Seyi Makinde, is now speaking right in his nose, just a distance from where his hotel or thereabout. He witnessed the life killing by the Fulanis in Oyo State, not even in the north. Then this thing now reminded me of what happened in Borno State, the massacre of the soldiers. The massacring the soldiers, the wiping of soldiers in Borno State. And many of them, hundreds of them are missing, which is the Musa cannot give account. And you see, All these things are the errors in Nigeria and the errors of APC government. And let me tell you again, during the time of Jonathan, the same man that came up called Buhari said that you make a Jonathan government ungovernable. You understand? They are the one that employing all these Fulanis terrorists into the employ them to Nigeria. And today, see what they are doing. You understand? See what they are doing. And now they are coming up. Obi. See. I don't know. One late Nigerian musician say, which way Nigeria? I want to know, for I love my fatherland. I want to know. Which way is Nigeria? Who is the good guy? And who is he that will make this country fine? And for this country to fine, if I thought Nigeria go better, when they stop doing selection, when election stands, that is when I believe that yes, Nigeria is taking a step of betterment, trying to be better. But whereby they still stand in this selection, that they will come up, they will love to criticize another, they will not like themselves to be criticized. They will join others to speak about somebody's government, but they don't want anybody to speak about their own governance. You understand? Today in Nigeria, if you speak against government, they will come after your life. Then how do we now move forward? But the previous government, I will not forget vividly, even Obasanjo and the time of Yaradua and time of Jonathan, people talk. Mostly nobody, no president have ever received insult like Jonathan. The way people talk, you understand? Even Tobo, why everybody, the way they talk to him, yet he never kidnap anybody, he never shoot anybody, he never arrest anybody. Even during the protest, Jonathan never sent soldier or asked police to harass anybody. But why is he, Mr. President Tinubu, doing that? I could remember the protest that passed on. See the 11 years, 10 years, 9 years. He said they intend to take over the government. Just imagine. Imagine. You don't want people to speak about what you are doing. Are you doing well? A clear conscience fears no accusation. So Peter B is speaking the truth now. Because and you now say, because you are speaking the truth, you have crossed the line. Which line? Is there any limitation in truth? And they not now already, because of the disappointment they have gotten from the Mr. President. They themselves now are looking for another alternative, and they see it maybe Igbos could be the alternative. Let us embrace Igbo now by, let's stand by fighting for Obi. Tinubu, if you dare scratch Obi body, you will receive war from us. Is that the way? It's good. And I love it. Do you know why? I love it. And why did I say I love it? They are the one that gave Mr. President the mandate. They are the one. Moreover, they are the one that give Tinubu mandate. Not that Tinubu won election. So that same thing, that same role, and that same way, is the same way they are standing today to speak. They are standing today. And moreover, when they were doing that, because Obi being an Igbo man who won the election, Erufai said Igbo man can never rule Nigeria. And that has been their mentality. And that was why they decided to rig the election and give it to Tinubu. And today, Tinubu is not dancing to their tones or doing things that will that favor them. Rather, is going against them. You see why they are fighting to use Obi as a case study to fight Tinubu. In order to pull the heart of Igbos on their, God bless you, on their side, to find favor, to find consideration from the Eastern people side, from the Igbo side. But let me tell you this. If they like, let them fight for Obi. If they like, let them not fight for Obi. The same people that betrayed Jonathan, the same people that betrayed Obi, coming back again, hearing Jonathan to come, standing for Obi. See, it is the high time we wake up from our slumber. These Fulanis cannot fool us again.
It's that time.
It's the high time
So
we
you
wake
that
up.
them fighting for Peter Obi now is just a mere.
It's a mere fight. It's a mere fight. And they're not the one. Excuse me. And they're not the one that carry Obi mandate and give Tinubu. They are the one. And they're not the one upon all that Jonathan did for them. And they're not the one that betrayed Jonathan. They are the one. And now they are carrying Jonathan poster all over. Now they are fighting Tinubu, say if you touch Obi. Hello, are we children? No, they cannot fool us again. Let them forget about that. Yes, it is a very, very good home. It plays the role of regardless and the importance and validity of Christianity in the hearts of Donald Trump. How he value the life of the Christians and how he value Christianity and how he value lives and those who believe in our Lord Jesus Christ. It plays that, yes, that in America, they still value Biafrans. And they regard the things that come from Biafra land. They know the importance, what the role it will play. Trump will value it. USA value it so immensely. You understand? I love it so much. And it's a kudos and it's a plus and addition to what we are actually pushing. You understand me? We are actually pushing, proving to the world we have something that the world needs. That which the world can get, what the world is lacking, what the world cannot get anywhere, that in Biafra they can get it. And that is what he has shown. So, and I love that. And I love the work of that young man, and the zeal, the steady, and the hard working. You understand? And the consistency that he has put in, the faith he have added, the kind of the effort. You understand? And today he's paying for it. He's receiving the reward of his effort and the hard work which he has put in that music industry. You understand? And I love, and I thank God, and I am happy that he's from Uyo. He's a core Biafran man. He's my brother. I'm happy that this kind call is coming from my brother that come from Uyo. And God will bless US. God will bless Donald Trump for that recognition.
But some will say after I saw some comment on Twitter where some said Nadabasi is a Biafran because it's from Uyo. I don't know how true that is, but they said with this now, I think Trump is taking note of Nnamdi Kanu's predicament, and that we know that his current chief of staff and former Biafran lobbyist Suzy Willie, we're working with Trump, that there's a very big chance and big hope for Nnamdi Kanu now that Trump is set to take presidents as the 46th president or 47th president of 48th president of America.
Yes, it is a good omen, like I earlier said. Him coming up on the 20th of this month, he will be inaugurated as the president of what? The 48th president of United States of America. And let me tell you, in regard of the man in quote, the Iroko himself, in person of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I see it that Trump becoming the president and being in the assuming the office, already somebody is already there pushing it. The lobbyist in person of with Suzy, you understand? She currently now has been given a major position in America, the chief of staff. You get it? So being the chief of staff and a major former lobbyist with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and currently the chief of staff in United States of America, under the watch, that is going to be under the watch of Donald Trump, who love the Christians, who love Biafrans so much. I know with this positive report is going to come at the end of the tunnel, because Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the Iroko himself, is coming out. I believe that. I believe that. Yes, will be coming out, and I believe that strongly. That before Trump will end his tenure 4 years, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu will be free from detention or the DSS.
Okay. But just recently, the latest news is that Netanyahu, refuses. Netanyahu, yes, as what refutes, as ordered by Tinubu to what, to try Simon Ekpa,
To try Mazen Nnamdi
to
Kanu.
try.
It's a welcome call. In Imo, Anambra,
Clear.
and clear. Abi, go to the east, Abi, but you cannot go to Boronu. You can go to east, but you cannot go to Boronu. Then in Boronu, the people that they wipe, and they're not soldier.
Army should go to every part of every forest, then the southeast and the northwest, to what, to clear and to wipe every illegal armed forces there in the southeast and the northwest. What's your take on this?
In the bush.
Yes, in the bush. He said they should go to every corner of every bush and wipe.
I want to ask a question. That army, those army that was wiped in Borno State, are they wiped in the bush or in the town?
No, I think this is a different scenario.
I am asking if they can be wiped not in the bush. How do you then think that they will go to the bush and succeed?
As chief defense staff, he has ordered the army to go to the bush.
See, my brother, let us get this thing straight. Let's see, just Musa stop giving an order. Let him read them. Yes, he has to go. No. It has gone beyond that. You understand? In Ukraine, after all, their president is at the war front. So let's see, there's Musa come now, so that we know that he's serious and he really want to do the job. Let him lead them to all those Boronu. Army are dying steady. Army are dying every day. What have you done, Sidious Musa? Is it not the high time you send your boys as usual, go to house? But it's only in the east that you can visit house to house. Only in Imo.